Well, I just want to get back with you real quick and show you the original ad that I saw at Lowe's. I was down the road looking at a Raptor that a guy had for sale, and saw this. Went ahead to research it online, put the Raptor in there, and this came up on my computer. So I just want to let you know I'm not fooling you. A lot of you said you couldn't find it, but also I wanted to let you know it's not necessarily a store deal. Someone just commented a while ago that it was they found one in Lake Worth, which is real close to Fort Worth, at the $14.99.50 price. And then someone else said they just now bought one too today, and didn't say where they were, but the deal could still be out there. Now, in a minute, I'm going to refresh this, and you'll probably see that it goes away. But I just want to let you know I wasn't fooling you. It said $14.99.50 through 10/10/2018. If you look right below $14.99.50, it says save 50% through 10/10/2018. I'll put the link to this actual page below, but when I refreshed it, it went back to the $29.99 price. But how can they say, in fact, you ought to print this off, maybe print this page off. How can they say it's through 10/10? It doesn't say while supplies last. It says through 10/10/2018. I would go down there and get irate with somebody and say false advertising, whatever. Anyway, they're unavailable at my store right now because they're sold out. They had 14, sold them in about 48 hours. And all the stores around me are out also. But I got mine, and my brother bought one, same place I bought one, and 12 other people did too, because they're gone. They had 14. And like I say, 2 people just bought one today, and this is Friday. And I put this up on Tuesday, and everybody said they couldn't find one, but 2 people did. And it wasn't Fort Worth, a long way from me. So I don't know that it's regional. I don't know that it's Texas. I don't know. Several people said they couldn't find one in Houston. So I don't know. Worth a shot. Look at this. You might want to just print out this website, take a picture, screenshot of the price there, and the date that says 10/10, and just see if somebody will honor it. Worth a shot. Like I say, when I refresh this page, it does come up $29.99. All right, we're gone. Try to get you one.